confirm.
Okay.
On 13th of July 2009, you ada buat transaction apa-apa ke dekat?
Betul ada.
Amount dia okay ya, lebih kurang?
Ya, betul.
On 18th of July?
Okay, di mana?
Di Jakarta.
Okay, seperti barang apa
Jamu Nona.
Jamu Nona?
Ya, 10,000.
Bukan jamu Nona, tapi saya beli kasut lah.
Oh ya. It's okay. Nanti kami akan double check lagi lah.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, I'm a big fan of you.
Terima kasih.
So, a bit nervous sikit lah.
Mana?
Actually, I nak share something lah dengan you.
Okay, apa dia?
Today my boss birthday.
Okay.
And she's a big fan. Boleh tak kalau you wish birthday kat dia?
Boleh. Nama dia siapa?
Miss Yap.
Miss Yap.
Hold on ya.
Hello?
Hello, Miss Yap.
Yeah, Miss Yap here.
Happy birthday to you. Nice to know Haliza here.
How do you know my birthday?
Your friends are.
Last year I got the same thing also happened, you know. You sure you Siti? You don't fake with me, You Dato' Siti, you can prove to me that you Dato' Siti,
So, what you want me to do?
Ayyo, can you sing me happy birthday song,
Okay lah, just for you, okay?
Oh yeah, thank you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you.
No.
Yeah.
When Chinese people 49, they don't see like that. They sing the happy birthday. Okay, come. Okay, I want to hear.
Happy birthday, okay?
Hiya, you really Dato' Siti Aisyah. So sorry to disturb you, Dato' Siti, you go with Dato' K,
No, that's okay, office mah.
Yeah, you very happy hangit.
Lu punya suara, you jaga I jumpa you set.
You jangan marah saya seorang. You marah you punya kakak Lozi, itu kakak Ida dengan itu adik Siti Taira, dia orang semua berkubahat tau.
Okay lah.
Kak Siti.
Ya.
Oh, marah nampak. Takut. Siti Nurhaliza terkena panggilan.
Lu siap, ni siap.
Aduh.